Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Charlene from CB Arts and Inks, and today I will be teaching you how to draw an American traditional rose tattoo design. So I'm gonna start off by drawing first a circle. You don't have to be very strict with the circle, you just have to, you could draw it roughly if you like. Then I will be adding another circle around here. Just drawing it roughly, it doesn't need to be perfect. For the next step is that I would like my rose to be looking upwards in that direction. And as you can see, the circle is not even because I want to show the angle of the rose. And right now I'm just trying to locate the center of the rose. Then I would start with the first petal. I would just draw a line across, just like that. Then draw two curves at the bottom. And that is gonna be our first petal. And then I would just be drawing another line across. This will be the second petal. Then just repeat the step. Draw two curves below it. Then next will be a petal that is going inwards. The petal won't have any fold like these two. Then I'll be putting a small folded petal over here. And now for the core of the petal, I will just draw some curves over there. Then I will just put a curl in the middle. Then I'm just gonna add small petals at the back. Then now that the inside of the rose is done, we're gonna go to the outside of petals. In drawing the petals, I'm just gonna curve out the edges and follow the circle. You could also interlap the petals together. So now we are done sketching the body of the rose. We are now gonna go to the leaves. I'm just gonna draw straight lines. I'm gonna put one here and then one there. I kinda like to make it a bit symmetrical. Right now I'm just drawing the regular shape of a leaf, some curves there. Same goes to the leaf here. Then I would also like to draw smaller leaves here and on the other side. Then adding more leaves here, so I made it thinner. And then just adding more details to the leaves. And there you go, we are now done with the sketch of our rose. I'm just erasing some outlines here. And guys, to be honest, I am just new in making these kinds of videos wherein I do voiceovers, so bear with me. I really want to teach people out there how to do tattoo designs. I believe with my skills and experience, I could teach you, the one who's watching, how to draw tattoo designs. So right now with these same method, the same things that we did the first rose. I'm just gonna draw a rough circle. So I did the same thing, I just changed the center of this rose. So I'm still following the circle. Then I drew the leaves, same way as the other one. And now we have two sketches of an American traditional rose tattoo design. Now we will go to outlining. I'm using this calligraphy pen, and I know it's not the proper thing to use, but it's all I have right now. You could use Sharpie or any other marker that is a bit thick. And now that we're done, I'm just using this kneadable eraser to erase the pencil line works. And now the next thing will be coloring. So I'm gonna be using alcohol-based markers. So I'll be starting with color red. I'm not gonna be coloring the rose petal all the way through so as to show that white gradient that American traditional style tattoo designs have. Next up, I will be adding the black shadows of the rose, so it's gonna be going in the innermost parts. I'm just gonna fill that in just like that. So next is that I would be trying to blend everything in using color pencils. So this is my color pencil. It's Prismacolor. It has 24 colors. I like to use mixed media for my artworks, so that is what I am doing for the coloring. I use markers plus color pencils. I think it's the best combination when coloring. So I'm gonna be starting out with color red, just trying to even out color. Then I'm just coloring lightly on the white part. Then I'd be using black color pencil to gradient out the shadow in the inside of the rose. Then I'm gonna do the same with the other petals. You can add more color if you like, it depends on you. Then the same goes with the leaves. I do not color it all the way through. I started with the base color with the alcohol markers, and then color pencil for the lighter highlights, black marker, and black color pencil for the dark shadow. And now I'm doing the same for the other flower. I'm repeating the steps. And finally, we are done with our American traditional rose tattoo design. I had fun making this tutorial. I hope you guys did too. I would love to see your artworks. You could tag me at Instagram at CB Arts and Inks. I also have a Facebook page. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.